नमस्कार, वेलकम टू इंडिया टीवी डिजिटल और मैं हूं शाश्वत भंडारी। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन के ऊपर। जी हां, इस पेंडेमिक ने पूरी दुनिया को ग्रिप कर रखा है और इस समय सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है कोरोना की वैक्सीन। As we all know that currently the world is having over 25 million cases of coronavirus with lakhs of deaths and in India over 39 lakh cases। इस समय पूरी दुनिया में लगभग 170 से ज़्यादा कोरोना वैक्सीन पे ट्रायल चल रहा है। So let's take a look on 5 to 6 major coronavirus vaccine that are expected to be available for general public in the coming months.
Let us first talk about Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine developed in the United Kingdom. Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine developed by London's Oxford University and AstraZeneca. It is one of the first vaccine to enter human trials in July. Currently under phase 3 trials in the United States, is very close to the end as announced by Donald Trump. The Serum Institute of India is also conducting Oxford vaccine phase 2 and 3 trials in India. It is touted to be the first vaccine that may be available for civilian use. Over 30,000 volunteers involved in the United States. Trials are being conducted at over 80 sites. Now let's talk about vaccines being developed in the United States. Pfizer and Moderna. These are the two vaccines developed by the United States and also under phase 3 late stage clinical trials. Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech said they expect to have early stage data from phase 3 study in October to submit an application to the FDA. Currently, the vaccine is being tested whether it is safe for elderly people. Pfizer said it will seek emergency use authorization for the vaccine from the US Food and Drug Administration once it was established that it's effective. Over 23,000 volunteers are enrolled for stage 3 trials. About Moderna coronavirus vaccine, over 30,000 healthy volunteers enrolled in late stage trials began in late July and is expected to be completed by September end. Now let's talk about China's coronavirus vaccines. China is also developing its own vaccines. Trials on various vaccine candidates underway, but none are in activated stage. However, the government allowed emergency authorization of the vaccine developed by Sinopharm, with a section of its population getting the doses. Currently, late-stage clinical trials are underway of the Sinopharm vaccine. Let's take a look on Russia's coronavirus vaccine. Russia launched world's first coronavirus vaccine in August. Its very first doses was given to President Putin's daughter. Though WHO raised concern, Russia said its vaccine is safe and has begun mass production already. Recently, study published in Lancet Journal said Russia's vaccine has proved to be immunogenic, generating an immune system response against coronavirus without any serious adverse effects in early stage trials. Russia is also in talks with the Indian government to manufacture its vaccine locally. While there are vaccines being developed abroad, let's take a look at India's indigenously developed vaccine. Covaxin. Covaxin is being developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. It has received center's approval to begin phase 2 clinical trials. Phase 2 clinical trials to be conducted on over 380 volunteers. Volunteers will be screened for 4 days after they are given vaccine shots. Phase 3 trials of Covaxin are expected to begin soon.
So these were the 5 to 6 major coronavirus vaccines on which the development work is underway and are expected that they will be launched by the end of this year or early next, because this is the most wanted need for every country and every citizen. I hope you liked the video. Do let us know in the comment section. For more such videos, stay tuned to indiatvnews.com. तब तक के लिए goodbye.